Hi, it's Coach Nancy, and I'm here to share with you another What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight recipes for the watering mouth. These recipes are from a recent 21-day challenge, and they are jam-packed with nutrition, and I hope you enjoy these recipes. If you'd like the recipes, please sign up at thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets to be able to have access to past cheat sheets as well as this one, so you have the recipes for yourself. Also, speaking of the 21-day challenge, we are opening the challenge registration very soon. We'll be selling those for a short period of time. So if you're interested, please go to thewateringmouth.com and sign up to be on the wait list for the challenge. And you'll get all the information as soon as it's released in your email box, and you can sign up then and join us for the 21-day challenge. These challenges are jam-packed with everything you need to be successful on the Eat to Live Nutritarian diet. They are filled with recipes for each of the days. They're filled with grocery lists, so you don't even have to think. And there's several different types of grocery lists. So there's that and a pantry list, and for things that you'll want to have on hand for the nutritarian lifestyle. And there's also tons of information that Cheri has included in the bonus sections, bonuses upon bonuses. So it's truly an investment in your health and in your self-care. So I hope you do sign up for that. We'll be talking more about that in the coming days. Right now, enjoy the What I Eat in a Day videos. Our breakfast is a yummy Apple Jacks Smoothie. The flavor was inspired by the breakfast cereal of the same name. You may know it. We guarantee this smoothie is way more nutrient dense than those sugary O's ever were. Look at all these veggies: zucchini, romaine lettuce, spinach. Then we'll add apple and banana, ground flaxseed, walnuts, maple extract, and water. Just a note, we're not using a packaged plant milk in our smoothies much anymore. Did you notice that? The reason is because if we add a few walnuts and water, it makes plant milk, right? You could use pecans and water. You could use some almonds and water. That makes almond milk. So why purchase something when you can just make it together in your smoothie? This is a super simple and yummy smoothie. All right, on to lunch. We're fixing a Thai slaw with baked tofu. This method of preparing tofu will give you a nice crispy crust with some good flavor and a soft inside. It's kind of like the mouthfeel of a bready crouton. We start by mixing onion powder, garlic powder, unfortified nutritional yeast, and some freshly ground black pepper. We press the tofu in this tofu press. This is a handy little device that presses the water out of the tofu to make a sturdier end result. This way your tofu won't break apart as easily. You can totally use the plates and canned food method that you may know about to weigh down the tofu and get the water out, but this press is cleaner and easier, and we think quicker too. So cut the tofu in cubes and toss in the coating mixture. We're going to lay it out on Silpat sheets or parchment paper. We're going to bake it in your oven. You can bake it in your oven or use an air fryer for extra crispiness. While those bake, we're going to start the Thai salad. So for this, you're going to need to get out your biggest bowl because this recipe makes 3 servings and you will have a huge amount. You can certainly cut the recipe in thirds, but why not go ahead and prep a few days ahead, huh? So Napa cabbage is nice and the recipe calls for it, but alas, it was not available when we made this. So we used some thinly cut green cabbage and a slaw mix that contains green and red cabbage, as well as carrot shreds. Now we add a little broccoli slaw, and this is just broccoli stems that have been shredded like coleslaw, like a slaw. I think it's a genius way to use up broccoli stems. I purchased this at the produce section. We're going to lighten this cruciferousness up with some romaine lettuce. The cabbage and the broccoli slaw are a little heavy, so we'll add some romaine lettuce to make it not quite as dense. We'll add some more shredded carrot, some sliced green onion, and slice up some sugar snap peas for a nice sweet crunch in the salad. So the tofu is now done. It's nice and crispy. And to finish off our salad, we're going to, in honor of Cheri, add a healthy dose of cilantro. She really doesn't like it if you haven't picked up on that. Okay, our huge salad is ready. We just need a dressing. We're going to do a very simple no oil dressing with some freshly squeezed orange juice, some unseasoned rice vinegar, miso, lime juice, fresh ginger, and a little bit of one ingredient peanut butter. By that we mean just peanuts. No sugar, no salt, no added oil, just peanuts in your peanut butter. So we're going to whisk that all up and pour it over the salad. We're going to plate up a third of this because remember this makes 3 servings. So we're going to add a third of the tofu and garnish with some sliced orange, and lunch is ready. Dinner is sauteed veggies and beans. The wonderful thing about a dish like this is you can mix and match the veggies and beans using any that you have on hand. We're going to be using red onion, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and mushrooms. These mushrooms are already cooked. We rinse the black beans and pop them in. Now we're going to add lots of fresh garlic and season with some freshly ground pepper and Mrs. Dash garlic and herb no salt seasoning. This also makes 3 servings, so here's a third of the veggies and beans plated up for dinner. We'll use some of the Well Your World brand sriracha for color and flavor. Look at this feast for the day. Wow, that's a lot of food. If you have some smoothie left over from breakfast, you can enjoy that after you've had your veggies for lunch or dinner. And also add a serving of berries after lunch or dinner, and you'll have all your G-bombs in your body for the day. Your tummy will be full and you'll be nourished at the end of this day. So I hope you enjoyed those. Hope you'll try those recipes out. If you've got some comments for us, if you try something and you want to give us some feedback, please do so in the comments below. Thank you so much, and remember to sign up at thewateringmouth.com/cheatsheets, and also for the wait list for the challenge if you're interested in joining us for that. So until next time, it's Coach Nancy signing out. Bye-bye.